How to fix Facebook video watch icon and Facebook Marketplace missing issue on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose and I'll walk you through how to fix video watch icon and Facebook Marketplace missing issues on Android. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to locate Facebook app on your home screen. Long press on Facebook icon and tap App Info. Now navigate to Permissions and make sure you have allowed all the app permission. If not, tap particular one and tap allow. Doing so, you need to allow all the apps permission on this section. Once you do that, you need to exit from this section and navigate to Facebook application. At the top, as you can see, there is no video watch icon and marketplace icon on the top of the screen. So to bring that, you need to tap menu icon from your home screen. Scroll down, tap tap on setting and privacy and select settings option. Scroll down and navigate to tab bar icon or simply option and tap on customize the bar. Now you need to scroll down and you need to look for hidden. As you can see that marketplace and video watch icon have been missing or hidden. Tap on hidden button next to it and tap on pin. Do the same for video watch as well. And once you have done that, you need to exit fully from Facebook and open Facebook application and refresh the section. And as you can see that we have both got Facebook video watch icon and Facebook Marketplace at the top of the screen. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.